This is 2013 paper 2 question number 11. We are to simplify the expression root 48 divided by root 5 plus root 3, leaving the answer in the form a root b plus c, where a, b, and c are integers. And you get 3 marks. So the first thing you do is you can write 48. You can write it as 16 multiplied by 3. That is the same as 48. Then you divide by the root of 5, then plus the root of 3. For us to remove the denominator, we multiply by the conjugate of root 5 plus root 3, whereby we just change the operation sign. Instead of plus, we multiply by root 5 minus root 3, and we also divide by root 5 minus root 3. This will help us to remove the surds in the denominator, and at the same time, we have not changed our expression, because if you divide root 5 minus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3, it is 1. And when you multiply anything by 1, it remains the same. So when you multiply that, we can start by getting the root of 16, which is 4, the root of 3. Then this is supposed to multiply by root 5 minus root 3. So we can leave that one like that for the time being. Then this you multiply root 5 times root 5, that will give you 5. Root 5 times minus root 3, that will give you minus root 5 minus root 3. And then root 3 multiplied by root 5, that will be plus root 5 root 3. And finally, we have root 3 multiplied by minus root 3 will give you positive 3. So that is, if you multiply two roots, that is root 3 multiplied by root 3, that is supposed to give you a whole number. So you can see here that we can, this root 5 minus root 5 plus root 5 will disappear, and that means that we will be left with the 5 minus 2, which we can say, and then we multiply. Before we do that, let's just write it like that so that we simplify up there. So root 5 minus root 3, and this is divided by 2. So we can divide by 2 here. We divide by 2, 4 by 2, then we get 2 disappear. That is 2. Now we can open the bracket now and say that we have root 2 multiplied by root 3, and we open the bracket root 5. Then we have minus 2 root 3. Instead of putting root 3 multiplied by minus root 3, that will give us the 3. And so we multiply 2 times 3, we get 6 there. And this is divided by 1, so we don't need to put that. So we can now simply say this is equals to 2. We combine the surds, that is root 5. This is the same as writing 3 times 5 under the same root sign minus 6. And therefore, finally, we have 2, the root of 15 minus 6. So we have achieved what we have been required by writing our expression in this format. And now where our A is 2, B is 15, and C is minus 6. So that is how you do that question. I've taken some time because I'm explaining, but this is something that should take you maybe 1 or 1.5 minutes to complete. So that's how you do that question. Thank you for watching.